Hello viewers, welcome to my masters. Today I am going to explain that the 9th class first chapter real numbers last exercise. So last three problems, 9th problem, 10th problem and 11th problem. So first take that 9th problem. So what is that? Simplify 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root of 343 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root 225. Simplify this. How it will be? See, listen. So first of all, write as it is that 4th root 81 and minus 8 into cube root 343 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus square root 225. So write same as is the question, and now we have to rewrite that 81 can be written in the form of the exponential form. We can write this is 81 whole power 1 by 4. This 4th root 81 can be written in the form of 81 whole power 1 by 4. In the same manner, minus 8 into this also you can write what? So 343 whole power 1 by 3, this is the exponential form, and plus 15 into, so this 32 whole power 1 by 5, this is the exponential form, and next this is 225, root 225 can be written as 225 whole power 1 by 2 in the exponential form. Okay, so this is that. So what we did here, so written that in the exponential forms. So now what? See that this 81 we can rewrite as the power of 4. So to cancel that powers, so we have to rewrite this 81 as the power of 4. So for that we have to take 3 power 4. How much? 3 power 4 is equal to 81. So we can write this 81 as the power of 4 means 3 power 4 as it is the whole power 1 by 4 as it is. So next minus 8 into this 343 can be written as the power of 3 now. So means what? So 7 power 3 we have to write. So 7 power 3 means 343 only, and power as is 1 by 3 plus 15 here into this 32 can be written as the 2 power 5. So 2 power 5. So this is, and now whole power 1 by 5 as is, plus this 225 can be written in the form of 15 square as the power of square. So 15 square whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So now by observing here, so power 3 power 4 and whole power 1 by 4 means these two 4 and 4 will get cancelled. What is the remaining? Only 3 power 1. That is nothing but 3 minus, and here 3 will get cancelled. Then what is left? 7 power 1. 7 power 1 means 7 only. 8 into 7. 8 into 7 plus this 15. So 2 power 5 and here 1 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. So 15 into 2 power 1 means 2 only will be left. And the next 15 here square and here 2 will cancel. Then what is left? 15 only. 15 power 1 means 15 only. So now by simplifying this finally, so 3 minus 8 7 is 56 plus 15 2 is 30 plus 15. So by adding all the positive numbers first, what you will get? 30 plus 15, how much? 45. 45 plus 3, 48. 48 minus 56, that is equal to what? Minus 8 is the answer. So the simplification of the finally what we are getting? Minus 8 as the answer. Okay. Now 10th problem, first bit. Find A and B for root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to A plus B root 6. So we have to find A and B values for the given problem. So see here, so by taking that the rationalizing factor of the numerator or the denominator, so we have to find those A and B values. So we have to convert the left side value into the form of A plus B root 6. So for that, consider that the rationalizing factor of the numerator or denominator. So for our convenience, see here we have to take the rationalizing factor of the denominator root 3 minus root 2 as root 3 plus root 2. This is a rationalizing factor from the given denominator. So rationalizing factor means what? By which number we are multiplying this So to get the rational number, so that is the rationalizing factor. So rationalizing factor means exactly we can say that conjugate term or opposite term to the given denominator here. So root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. If you multiply these two, what you will get? A rational number we have to get. So then that root 3 plus root 2 is here rationalizing factor for the denominator root 3 minus root 2. So now multiply and divide with this rationalizing factor. What we will get? See that. So now root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. So into what I said, multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor to this. So rationalizing factor of the denominator is what? Root 3 plus root 2. I am multiplying and as well as divide with this root 3 plus root 2. So this is finally is equal to what? A plus b root 6. A plus b root 6, right, as it is. So now see this here, multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. If you observe this is root 3 plus root 2 and this is also root 3 plus root 2. So these two are in the form of a plus b into a plus b, nothing but a plus b whole square. So you can write it as what? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square by, now if you observe the denominators, those are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So a value here nothing but root 3 whole square minus b value is root 2 whole square. So that is equals to a plus b root 6 as it is, right hand side value. And now by simplifying this, what we will get here? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square is nothing but root 3 whole square plus b square is nothing but root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 6. Sorry, root 3 into root 2. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab form. A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And by here, what is the denominator here? It is in the form of a square minus b square. Square root will get cancelled. We can remove those two. So then what you will get finally? 3 minus 2 as the denominator. And what is the right hand side value? As it is, you should write a plus b root 6. Now square root get cancelled. Here is also square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. Then what is the remaining last step here? 3 plus this is only 2 plus 2. This is root 3 into root 2 is equals to root 6. We can write it as what? Root 6. So by 3 minus 2 is equals to what? 1 is equals to a plus b root 6 right hand side value, same as this. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6 by 1 means something by 1 means something only. So 3 plus 2 is equals to what? We can write finally here you have to observe that 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 and 2 plus root 6 same as you should write. So 5 plus 2 root 6 is equals to a plus b root 6. A plus b root 6. See 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 root 6 is equals to a plus b root 6. So by comparing these two, by comparing these, what we will get? A is equals to 5, b is equals to 2. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 2. So those a and b are the required values. So we have to find what? A and b for the given problems. First of all, we have to take the rationalizing factor of the numerator and denominator by multiplying or dividing with the rationalizing factor. Then we will get that into the form of a plus b root 6. Then finally we will get what? A and b values. Okay. Now see the second problem of the 10th bit. So find a and b for root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to a minus b root 15. So here take the rationalizing factor for the denominator. It is better. So the rationalizing factor of the denominator is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So now multiply and divide with RF. RF means rationalizing factor. So what it will be? See, right. So right as is root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. This is our given problem. And multiply and divide here. So multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor means into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by as it is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So now if you observe that multiplication of the numerator, now multiply the numerator to numerator and multiply the denominator to denominator. See here, root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So here multiply with root 5, this total term means root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 plus, and remaining now take this root 3. So root 3 into what? Root 3 into this term, root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So now in the denominator place, so if you observe these two are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. What is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. What is a value here? 2 root 5 whole square minus b value is 3 root 3 whole square. 3 root 3 whole square. Now observe that by the simplification of this, root 5 into root 5. See, I am 2 as you should write. Root 5 into root 5. Root 25. So root 25 can be written as the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Means 2 into 5 we can write. Or 2 root 25 first. And next root 5. See here 3 as you should write. Root 3 into root 5. These two are the irrational number. Multiplication is only possible for these two. So root of 3 into 5 you can write plus now 2 as this. Root 3 into root 5 write as the single term root of 3 into 5 plus 3 as this root 3 into root 3 root 9 by see 2 square. This square belongs to the total term means 2 square means 4 and root 5 whole square means square and root will get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. So that's why remaining only 5. So finally 4 into 5 is the term of this minus and here 3 square 9 and root 3 whole square means nothing but square will get cancelled, only 3 will be left and 9 into 3. So now the next step, root 25 value is 5. We know that 2 into 5 plus 3 into root 3 plus root 5 root 15 plus 2 into root 15 plus root 9 value is how much? 3 only. So 3 into 3. So that is by, so 4 5 is 20 minus 3 9 is 27. So after the simplification what we will get here? 2 5 are 10 plus, see here these two are similar sets. These two are called similar sets. Means here the two irrational numbers are same. So that's why we can add. Addition is possible for the sets here. 3 plus 2 5 root 15 direct you can write. 3 plus 2 5 root 15 plus 3 3 is 9 as is by 20 minus 27 is equal to minus 7 we can write. So now next 10 plus 9 19 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. This is the final we got by the simplification. Next this divide this into the individual forms or so minus 19 by 7 this is minus 5 by 7 into root 15. So is equal to a minus b root 15. This is our right side value. So by comparing these two terms what we will get? A value minus 19 by 7, b value 5 by 7. A here what is b place 5 by 7 and what is a place minus 19 by 7. So these two are a and b values or required values for the given problem. Okay. So right, 10th problem completed. 10th problem completed. Okay, now see that the 11th problem, find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. So given what is the number? 11 plus 2 root 30. What we have to find? The square root of 11 plus 2 root 30 we have to find. And we know that in the source we have the one of the formula, that is root of a plus b plus 2 root ab is equals to the square root of a plus b plus 2 root ab is equals to what? Root a plus root b. So by using this formula we can write or we can find the square root of that value. So here see that how it will be. So let us take the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. 2 root 30. So for us see this. So split into the factors method. We have to find the factors at the same time the sum of the two factors must be is equals to here 11. So see that, so 30, what are the factors? Consider that 6 and 5 as the factors. 6 5 are 30 means a into b form. A into b form. 6 5 is 30. At the same time 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Right? Now we can choose those two numbers as the factors of the given 30 and as well as 11. So now I am rewriting this as into the form of what? This 11 can be written as 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 plus this 2 root 30 can be written as 6 into 5. 6 into 5. Now, so if you observe this, so 11 can be written as what? 6 plus 5 plus 2 root AB. 2 root 30 can be written as 2 into root 6 into root 5 is equals to, we can write that what? Square root of this. So here root A plus root B. So directly we can write it as what? Root 6 plus A plus what we have? 6 and B plus 5. So root 6 root 5 is our required answer. So therefore the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30 is equals to root 6 plus root 5. This is the solution for the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. We can choose another method also here. So we can write this 6 root 6 whole square and 5 root 5 whole square plus root 2 root 6. So after that, so it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then you can write it as in the form of a plus b whole square root get cancelled. Finally, however, you will get the same answer only. So no need to do that. So we know the formula what? Root of a plus b plus 2 root ab is equals to root a plus root b. So by using this formula, we can write it directly. Root 6 plus root 5 is the square root of the given root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Okay, I hope you understand these three problems. 9th one and 10th one, 11th one are the most important problems for those 9th class students. Okay, thank you very much.